Man, what going on, y'all? Man, last time I cooked out on the grill, my little mini portable grill, man, somebody done stole my grill, man. One of these junkies running around here. You know what I'm saying? But we gonna make it do what it do. This is like, I guess it's like 10, like a tin can. So we're gonna try to make it do what it do with this. I'll be back in a little bit. All right, y'all, we're gonna be making some drunk pieces of chicken. Yeah, we're gonna make some drunk pieces of chicken. And these things froze. I ain't gonna clean these things and that. I'm gonna throw them in there froze. And I'm just gonna see how it turn out. What else we got here? Some more chicken. Yeah, we just gonna throw all this in here. We're gonna grease these things down and we're gonna handle business. You know what I'm saying? I hate somebody stole my little grill. But when you out here in nature, living in your mansion right now, you see right there, what can you expect when you're surrounded by a bunch of damn junkies? Hey, this is how you make a drunk piece of chicken. I got the Ice House Edge right here, which is a beer. But y'all like to use wine, some of y'all use liquor. But we just gonna put this in here and we gonna let it broil. We're gonna let it like bake and boil at the same time. I guess that's what broil mean. We'll see. I'll be back at you in a little bit. Thing smoking like hell, but we're gonna see how it turn out. Man, look, y'all. Look how this little tin can bucket I found on the ground. Look how this shit smoking. Let me stand up. Let me show y'all, man. This shit smoking, bro. I ain't think it was gonna turn out like this. For the people who stole my grill, since I sleep in that mansion right there, that tent, look here, y'all made me use my mind in. It's all about survival skills, baby. I had the meat, but I ain't had nothing to cook it in. And look what God do for me. Man, this shit smoking better than the damn grill. I thank y'all. Y'all helped me use my mind today. I thank y'all. Whoever stole the grill. Y'all some good people, man. Yep. Sorry, Racker. All right, my people. This is the end result. I kind of like went for the smoked chicken jerky type texture. And as you can see, I got my dipping sauce. We got chipotle sauce. Something like that, some kind of spicy sauce. But yeah, this the end result. I got a lot left over that'll last me like probably 3-4 days. I can dice it up, I can make it into some strips. Strips. And I can dip it in the sauce. I can take it, make wraps with it. You know, you can add it to some, right here I have some pasta. You can, you know, cut it up, dice it up, add it to your pasta. I'ma holler at you, rascal.